Hello friends, Namaskara. Welcome to part 3 of direction. In this session, I already in previous two session I explained the basic concept of direction. Based on that basic concept, you can solve any questions on the direction. Okay, it is a very easy topic, and at least within 30 seconds you can solve all the problems. Okay, go to the first question. Okay, Sita walks 2 kilometers west. First, in the one side you can write this diagram. This is north, this is south, this is east, this is west. Okay. Sita walks 2 kilometers west. Sita walks 2 kilometers west. Sorry. 2 kilometers west means like 2 kilometers west. Okay, this is the west. 2 kilometers west. Then he turns left. Okay, this is the right, this is the left. Then he turns left. Left means he turns left and walk 3 kilometers. Walk 3 kilometers. Okay. Turns left and walk 3 kilometers. Then he turns left. Okay, here is very important. This is the left and this is the right. For south direction, I already told you in the basic concept. This is the right and this is left for north if facing towards north. If for south, this is the left and this is the right, reverse of north. Otherwise, you put your body in this arrow. This is your body, this is your head, this is your right hand, this is your left hand. In the same direction, you put your body in the opposite, you are in the opposite. Okay, this is your head, this is your left and this is your right. You go through the arrow. You place your body in the arrow. Okay, this is the left. Then turns left and walk 2 kilometers. Then turns left and walk 2 kilometers. Okay, which direction which direction she is facing? This is her face direction. This is east direction. This is the east direction. Okay, answer is east. Okay, how far he is from his original place? From here to here, how far he is? She is. This is 3 means this is 2. This is 2. This is these two are equal, and this is 3 means this is also 3. 3 kilometers away from his original place. Okay. Next question. Priya walks 6 kilometers towards north. Okay. Priya walks 6 kilometers towards north. Okay. Then turns left. Here very important. Then turns left and walk 4 kilometers. This is the right and this is the left. Turn left and walk 4 kilometers. Left and walk 4 kilometers. She turns left again. Okay, this is the right and this is left. She turns left again and walks 6 kilometers. Okay, walk 6 kilometers. How far is she from his straight point? Here to here. Find out the distance. This is this six. This six. These are same means she is 4 kilometers. This is these both are equal. 4 kilometers away from the starting point. Answer is 4 kilometers. Okay. Next question. This is same question, I think. These both questions are same. Okay. Next. Okay. Here it is very important. Karan walks 4 kilometers east. Okay. Karan walks 4 kilometers east. Okay. This is 4 kilometers and east direction. Then turns left. Okay. This is the right and this is left. Turns left and walks 6 kilometers. Walk 6 kilometers. Okay. This is the 6 kilometers. Then turns right and walk 4 kilometers. This is right and this is left. Turns right and walk 4 kilometers. What is his final position from his state point? Okay, it is very important question, and examiner may focus on this type of questions. Okay, is here find out the this is shortest distance. This is the shortest distance. Okay, sorry, this is the shortest distance. 4, 6, and 4. 10, 14 kilometer is the longest. Okay, find out the shortest distance. We apply here Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Apply the Pythagoras theorem. Okay. This is the, you draw this, you can extend it. Okay. Can make a 90-degree angle here. This is 4, this 4, and this is also 4. These both sides are equal. This is 6, this is also 6. Okay. Now you can apply the Pythagoras theorems to this triangle. Okay. 4 plus 4, 8 square plus 6 square equal to this hypotenuse distance. Okay. A square is 64 plus 36 equal to 100. Okay. 100 equal to 10. 10 kilometer is the square root of 100. This square root of 100 equal to 10 kilometer. Answer is 10 kilometer. Okay. I already explained in Pythagoras theorem. Okay. If this is A, this is B, this is C, A square plus B square equal to C square, or A plus B equal to square root of C square. Okay. You remember this. Okay. A square plus B square. Sum of the sides equal to square of sum of the sides equal to hypotenuse. Okay. A square plus B square equal to C square, or A plus B equal to square root of C square. Okay. 10 kilometer. Come to the next question. A man walks 15 meters south. Okay. I take here. A man walks 15 meters south. Okay. This is 15 meter. Then he turns right. Okay. Very important here. This is left and this is right. Then he turns right and walk 20 meter. Walk 20 meter. Okay. Then he turns right again. This is the right and this is the right, and walk 15 meter. Now he is here, walk 15 meter. How far he is from the starting point? This is 20 means this is also 20. Answer is 20 meter. Okay. He is try to confusing here in the south direction with left and right. Okay. Here whenever you come to south, you first draw the right diagram. This is the right and this is left. Here right become here left become here right whenever it comes in south direction. Okay. Next question. Okay. A boy walks 7 kilometer towards east. Okay. A boy walks 7 kilometer towards east. Okay. Then 5 kilometer towards north. Then 5 kilometer towards north. What is the shortest distance from the state point? Okay. This is the shortest distance from the state point. Okay. Apply the Pythagoras theorem. 7 square plus 5 square. 7 square is 49 plus 5 square is 25. Add 49 plus 25. This is equal to 14. 74. Okay, here you come to the question. 74. Okay. 8 square is 64. 9 square is 81. This is between 8 square and 9 square, means answer is 8.6. It is near to 8.6. 8.6 square into 8.6 square equal to 74. Based on the option, you can remove the other option. 74 is between the 9 square and 8 square, means only one option is between 9 square and 8 square. Okay. 8.6. Okay. Come to the next question. Okay, this is very important question. Okay. This type question direct high possibility of coming in exam. Okay, here Sunil walks 10 kilometer from his house towards north. Okay, this is the Sunil house. This is Sunil house. He walks 10 kilometer from his house towards north. Okay, towards north 10 kilometer. Okay, then he turns anti-clockwise by 225 degree. It is very important. Okay, 1 minute. I draw the diagram first. Okay, this is north, this is south, this is east, and this is west. Okay, Sunil walks 10 kilometer here. Okay, this is 10 kilometer. Then he anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise means like this. This is anti-clockwise direction. Okay, by 225 degree. Here to here 90. Okay, this is 90. Here to here 90. Okay, this is 180. Okay, 180 plus 45 equal to 5 plus 12 plus 225. Okay, then it is 180. Then 45 means now he is in this direction. This is 45. You add all these. This is 225 degree anti-clockwise movement. Okay, now which direction Sunil is facing now? Which direction Sunil is facing? South, east. Answer is south, east, between south and east. This type of question you put the diagram and you solve it. Okay. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can put in the comment box. I can reply to you. Okay. You understood it? Okay. I explain you again because this type of question very important in exam. Okay. Okay, first you know this is the clockwise movement, this is anti-clockwise movement. Okay, this is clockwise movement, this is anti-clockwise movement. Clockwise means clock minute hands and hour and move like this. Okay, the opposite direction is anti-clockwise. Okay, come to the question. Okay, Sunil walks 10 kilometer from his home and 10 kilometer from his home, this is 10 kilometer towards north, and he turns anti-clockwise means here to here 90 degree, here to here 90 degree. This is 90, this is 90, and this is 45. Total add these all three. This is 225 degree anti-clockwise movement. Now he is facing towards southeast, between south and east, southeast direction. Okay. Next question. Okay. This is very important question. At morning, Sunil meets his brother Hanumant. Okay, Sunil meets his brother Hanumant. Sunil noticed that his brother's shadow fall on his left. Okay, here very important. Left. Find out who is facing towards north. Who is facing towards north? This is the question. I tell you 100% this type of question came in exam. Okay. Here I already explained the part 1. Without diagram, you don't solve this type of question. Okay. At the morning means sunrise. Okay. First you draw the diagram. Okay. Sun is rising at the east. This is the sun. Okay. Within 30 seconds you can solve this question. Okay. I slowly explain for understanding all of the students. Okay. This is the east. This is south. This is north. This is west. Sun rays falling like this. Okay. Means shadow is here. Here is shadow. Okay, both who is facing north and who is south, both shadow is falling in this side. Okay. Question. Sunil meets his brother Hanumant. Okay. Sunil noticed that his brother's shadow fall on his left. Okay. For example, If you take here Sunil facing towards north, Sunil is standing here. Okay, this is the right and this is the left of Sunil. Okay, his brother is facing in opposite direction because they are talking to each other. This is north direction, this is south direction, this is left and this is right. Okay, for example, this is Sunil. If you take this is Sunil, if Sunil notice that his brother's shadow is falling on his left. Okay, exactly correct. His brother's shadow is here, Sunil shadow is also here. His brother's shadow, Sunil left is this is the Sunil left. Okay, his brother's shadow fall on his left. Here Sunil left is shadow. Okay, here is Hanumant. This is the Hanumant. This is the Sunil. Okay, Sunil shadow of the both the people left are the Sunil. Okay, means who is facing. Find out the who is facing towards north. Who is facing towards north? Sunil is facing towards north. Answer is Sunil. You understood it? First, you draw the diagram. Any one of them put in north or south. You check the it is correct or false. Okay. Here, for example, you place here Hanumant. Okay. You feel he is Hanumant. This is Hanumant right and Hanumant left. Okay. This is Sunil. For example, this is Sunil. Okay. This is Sunil left and this is Sunil right. Okay. If Sunil is facing towards south, he noticed that his brother's shadow, his Hanuman's shadow is fallen as left. Okay. Fall is Sunil left means here it is the Sunil left. It is not possible to fall the Sunil left side shadow because it is sunrise. Okay. Shadow at this side means Sunil always facing towards south. Okay. You understood it? I explained this question in another way. Okay. For example, this is the sunrise. Okay. Shadow always fall this side. Okay. Opposite to sunrise. Sunrise are coming like this. See, this is shadow. Okay. Here, two people meet. Okay. Okay. This is the right and this is the left. Okay. This is the left and this is the right. Okay. Both the people shadow fall in this direction. Okay. Both the people. Sunil or Hanuman. Okay. You put Sunil here. For example, you put Sunil here. If Sunil, this is the south direction, face downward means south, is face upward means north. Okay, he is facing towards north, he is facing towards south. Okay, for example, you put Sunil as a south direction. Sunil brother is Hanumant. Hanuman's shadow fall on the left means Hanuman's shadow fall on the left of Sunil means here, but here is not possible means Sunil is not facing towards south. Sunil is facing towards north. If Sunil face towards north, his left is this is the left of Sunil. This is the left of Sunil. Okay. Right of Hanumant but left of Sunil. Who is facing towards north? Means who is facing towards north? Sunil. If for example, Sunil is facing towards north, his brother shadow. This is the brother shadow. Is left of Sunil. Is correct. Okay. Answer is Sunil. Sunil is facing towards north. Okay. Put anyone and check the shadow is falling on the left and right. Okay. Next question. Kiran moves 5 kilometers towards south. I think you get clarification on this question. If you not get clarification, you may comment. I will solve you again in a different method. Okay. For example, you put anyone and find out the direction. Okay. This means face towards south. This means face towards north. Okay. He is facing towards north. He is facing towards south. Okay. Here it is right, here it is left, here it is left, here it is right. Okay. Shadow is always at the sunrise. Shadow is this person's shadow is also this person's shadow is. Who is facing south? His shadow is right side. Who is right side of his, who is facing towards south? Who is facing north? Shadow is at his left side. Okay. At the sunrise, sunrays fall like this. Okay. Shadow is right side of who is facing towards south, and shadow is left side of who is facing towards north. Okay. Based on this concept, you put any one. For example, this is Hanumant. This is Sunil. Okay. Shadow is right side of Sunil. Shadow is left side of Hanumant. Okay. For the question, his brother shadow, Hanumant's shadow. Sunil noticed that brother's shadow fall on his left. If Sunil is facing like towards north, his shadow is at the left, and his brother's shadow also left of Sunil. Okay, right of Hanuman, left of Sunil. Okay, you don't confuse it. Place one, find out the direction, then you solve it. Okay, come to the next question. Kiran moves 5 kilometer towards south. Okay, Kiran moves 5 kilometer towards south. If this is direction, I first you draw the direction. This is north, this is south, this is east, and this is west. Okay. Kiran moves 5 kilometer towards south. Okay. 5 kilometer towards south. Okay. Here this is left and this is right. Okay. 5 kilometer towards south. Whenever the question is south, he want to confusing you. Okay. Then turns clockwise 90 degree. Clockwise 90 degree means this is clockwise 90 degree. Now he comes here. Clockwise 90 degree. This is clockwise 90 degree. Okay. Then turns to 25 degree anti-clockwise direction. Okay, here he turns clockwise here 90 degree, then he turns to 25 degree, means here to here 90, here to here 90. Now he is, now this is here to here is clockwise 90 degree, here to here this is 225 degree. Oh, sorry. I confusing this question. Okay, wait. Okay, I'm confusing you. Sorry. You don't consider it 5 kilometer because he confusing to. Okay, here Kiran faced towards south. Okay, he is faced towards south. 90 degree clockwise means, sorry, I confusing clockwise and 90 degree clockwise means now he is faced towards this. This is the clockwise. Okay, 90 degree clockwise. This is clockwise and this is anti-clockwise. Okay.